So today I'm going to show you how to put an outlet box in a wall, but this is not a normal wall. This is layers of plaster, chicken wire, and some cementy stuff here at the end. So let's get started. So, this is normal drywall. Most people have it, unless you have an old house. And then most people have one layer. Well, here we have the drywall, which instead of lath, they actually use the drywall instead of the wood. So this is essentially a piece of this, but back then they used 3x5 sheets of it. And then next we have the first layer of plaster, which to me it looks like they actually finished the walls with this, and then at a later date they came back, put some chicken wire on the wall, put another layer of plaster cement stuff, and then the finish coat where you would see, and then someone here has texturized the wall also. So yeah, this is not fun to drill holes in, and takes quite a bit longer than a normal simple drywall with the jab saw. First of all, you're going to want some type of mask, and probably not one of those cheap paper masks. One of these will do good, because in the house of this age, ours is from like the 30s we figure, there's probably lead paint in here somewhere. So you need to make sure you're not breathing that in. And then next, you're actually going to want to get a cement drill bit. Because for at least what we have, trying to go through this cement layer here with a normal drill bit didn't work out too well. So, cement drill bit, and let's get to drilling. So as you can see, I got all the holes drilled already. So the next part I like to do is take the drill, go around, and you kind of just move it down like this and up like this. So you move it up and down just to get around the holes. It won't actually clear all of it, but it helps a lot. So let me go all the way around and do that. Okay, so now that I got all the holes, pretty much the whole thing drilled out, now is where you find the wires. So you can see there's something there. It's kind of hard to see, but that's where the wires are. So you can take your hacksaw, cut those off. And there you see, we have it. We're not quite done yet. So obviously the box kind of fits. This is where you'll need your next tool, a file. And one that you don't care too much about because the cement is not friendly to files like this. Anyway, you're going to see how the box fits. I try to make the hole a little bit bigger so I don't have to do too much filing, but yeah, it doesn't quite fit. So let me file out the corners. Let's see if we can get to fit better. And there you have it. Might be off just a hair, but no one's really going to notice, and fits in there pretty nice. Now all I gotta do is crawl under the house and run the wires. That's the fun part. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video and you liked it, just leave me a thumbs up and go hit that subscribe button while you're at it.